Alright, now on to our fourth video. If you remember last time we looked at the drivetrain code, and I kind of showed you just how what we've been learning applies to a lot of what we're going to be doing on a day-to-day basis. Right now, I'm going to kind of show you how to the basic layout of Eclipse here. I'm going to show you how to use it. What are the most important things? What's the easiest things to do? Okay, so what I didn't use last year, I'm going to start over here. I know it's kind of weird. What I didn't use is this. This is super helpful. And you'll see that I have just a lot of stuff here. But if I click on, see here, we're trying to get the alliance color. I can click it, and it's going to bring it right into my viewing window. Okay, this is super helpful, this outline here. I don't usually, I don't use this. We don't need to use it. If one of you figures out a good way to use it, that's great, and we can maybe be a little more productive. But over here, you're gonna have all your Java files, or all your Java projects, and we've already gone through all those. In here, if we are trying to run the code to the robot, okay, we're going to right click on the robot Java project. We're going to come down to run as, and we're going to run it as a WPI live Java deploy. Okay, so that's probably one of the most important things to do. Here, you'll see this one. This is just saving the class that you're on. If you click this other one, it will save everything that you have currently. This is for creating a new whatever, and then I can tell you right now, I skip this, and this. I've never used it. This is Robot Builder. This is for command base, so I'm not sure if we'll be using this year. You can find videos out there for this, but don't waste your time. And you get over here, you can actually run it from right here. So if you're on C17, if you click it here, you can actually come down here and run as. You don't have to do it the way that I did it, but it always makes it easier. These are, I believe that these are adding, but I've never used them. So there's a lot of stuff that we don't actually need to use. We do look at some of this right here. We don't use this. We don't use this. We don't use this. But we use console and problems. Mostly console. Just to when you run the code, you'll see what happens and if it compiles and that stuff. Yeah, this is this is Eclipse. Okay, up here you're gonna find the save as, and some of the stuff that you've been working on recently. Here is your workspace. So you might want to switch your basic workspace of, I don't know why you would want to do it, but say your workspace isn't, you put it in the wrong place, you can actually move that. All right, edit, basic functions. This find replace. If I click in here, I click edit, and I click find replace, anywhere that I find something, I can replace it with something else. So if I want to rename something, I can rename it everywhere instead of having to go through and manually try to find it. That we probably will end up using. I don't think that I've ever used this. Like, I believe that we might use organized imports just to help, but I don't. Navigate, yes, you will be using this. So you might open clipboard just to see. I believe that that's where, like, if you use copy and paste, that's where it is. So you might want to use that. And then quick outline. Project live run. Yep, obviously we're going to use run and run as. See anything else. We really do not use something. If you lose one of these things on the screen, task list, outline, page explorer, any of these, you can find it in window, show view. So project explorer, that is this, or package explorer. Sorry. It just helps a lot. Okay, this is your basic stuff, and help if you want to search for something. Make sure you come in here and click it, or else it's not going to put it in there. If you want to install a new library, you're going to come to install new software. You can click add. There's some videos out there, and we'll get into that when you need to add in your different libraries for first. But that's in another video that I've already made, and I'm sure we've already gone over that. So I hope that this kind of helped deconfuse the Eclipse layout. Okay, thanks for watching.